May 21st. Well, actually the 22nd, technically, 2019. Came out here to start cleaning the pool out to fill back up as a mass reservoir from the ram pump, and found there was a leak out here, big hole in it. So I went back to good old YouTube and looked up different repair tactics. The one guy said shoe glue. I'll try and dig that link up and throw it down below. So I got some shoe glue and put it on yesterday. It's had 24 hours to dry and cure, and seems to be holding. This was a big tear hole. I didn't get a shot beforehand, but there was a big puncture hole right in it, and so I didn't really feel like a patch was going to cut it. And I've tried patching before, and they never seem to really hold on well. So I thought I'd try the shoe glue option, and it seems to be holding air, so I think that worked for now. I find this thing doesn't have to be inflated very hard to keep the pool walls up. Just needs a little air in it so it'll float, basically. But I was walking around here and getting ready to do some cleaning out, and there's this snapping turtle here. Hanging out in the pool. So, yeah. I'm all for natural environments, but I do cool off in here sometimes between working here on the farm and homestead. And I have no interest in getting into a pool with a snapping turtle. I actually don't mind them in ponds and stuff, because I find as soon as you jump in and start making noise, they take off usually. But this is a pretty close space, and I know I ended up stepping on him and getting bit. And if you know anything about their jaw can lock like lock. So they could bite you, you could cut their head off, you'd actually still have to cut the jaw open to get it back off. I don't want any of that wonderful experience here, so I'm going to have to relocate this guy. I'm going to have to kick him out of the pool. I'm flattered that you like it, but I don't want to share with you. Anyway, I just happened to snag the camera on the way out the door because it's a fairly cool night out. I got my jacket on, so it's easy to carry it. And I saw this guy. I thought I would share it. It's interesting. I don't think he knows what to make of my headlight. I guess I might as well show you about their lunging, if I can find a good long stick to probe them with. Here we go. He actually doesn't seem to want to mess with me at all, which is rare. Usually they'll maybe that's just on land. Usually they'll lunge at you. Well, I like a scared snapping turtle rather than a aggressive one. Either way, you still got to go. We can't share. I don't want to share. So before I turn the water on back to the pool, I'm going to find a place to ship this guy out to. Anyway, that's it. Just snapping turtle. No big deal. Maybe I'll give you a quick shot inside the greenhouse. As a sort of a quick update. Just move this guy over here. So I give you an example of their aggressive thing. He was actually snapping at this before. Missed it, sorry. There you go. Yeah. See that lunge? Their neck can go out quite a ways. So you got to be careful not to get your fingers anywhere near the business end of a snapping turtle. Good enough. I just carried him over here about, I don't know, maybe 100 feet from the greenhouse. And I just don't want him in the pool. he or she, probably she, they tend to come up this time of year and lay eggs. I've had them dig up tomatoes and gardens and all kinds of stuff. Boy, it can be frustrating. Anyway, turning them loose, and I'm sure that he or she will go back to the pond, which is just down the hill that way eventually. And certainly since the pool is inflated now, he or she won't get back in there. So just turn them loose, let them go, and let nature carry on. No point in interfering. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching the Farmacy Seeds Network. See? Just wants to get out of here now. They're like a little underwater bulldozer, man. They're amazing. Amphibious bulldozer. Look at that. You can just crawl off. Gone. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching the Farmacy Seeds Network.